Hello, good evening. Good evening, Thyme. Hello. Oh, wow. Hello. Good evening, Thyme. It's nice to see you again. Wow. How are you today?
今日は元気ですか？
How are you? Are you happy? Happy today? Happy. Okay, we can say, I'm happy. I'm, let's say,
Happy.
okay, happy. Let's say, I'm happy. I'm, can you hear teacher? Uh,
Happy.
yes, wow, very good. Perfect. So now let's try to practice that one again. So, how are you today, Tiny? I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, very good. Are you really happy? Can I see your smile if you're really happy? Can I see your smile? Smile. if if you are really happy, can teacher see your smile? Okay, this one.
あなたが本当に幸せなら、先生はあなたの笑顔を見ることができますか？
Smile, can you smile? Wow, what a beautiful smile. Okay, thank you so much, Taimi. So now, are you ready to start our lesson? Ready? I'm
Happy.
I'm ready. Okay, very good. So now let's go back to the video that we have last lesson, which is last Tuesday. Yes. Okay, so this video is all about the animals or the abilities of the animals. So let's review some animals that we saw last time. So let me just share the video here. Okay. Okay, look at the picture. Look at this picture, Thyme. What animal is this?
これは何の動物ですか？
What animal? It's giraffe.
Giraffe.
Okay, next, let's see. This one. What animal is this?
これはな、 Tiger.
Wow, very good. Let's say it's a tiger. It's a tiger.
It's a tiger.
Okay, very good. One more time. Okay, Thyme, look at the picture. What animal is this? It's it's a
It's a
this
tiger.
yes, wow, very good. Nice job. Okay, let's look at this animal or this one. Thyme, what animals are
Kangaroo.
these? Wow,
It's
very
a kangaroo.
wow, very good. Nice job. These are kangaroos. Wow, very good. How about this one? Okay, let's look at this. What animal is that? What animal? Okay, this. What animal is this? It's a it's a what? Hoo-hoo-ha. It's a
Happy.
monkey. Wow, very good. Nice job. So it's a monkey. And what is the favorite food of the monkey? What's the favorite food of the monkey?
猿の一番好
Monkey.
きな食べ物は何ですか？
What's the favorite food?
Banana.
Banana. Wow, very good. You already know what is it. So their favorite food is banana. Nice job. Okay, so next. Oh, let's look at the water. This one, the water. Okay, what animals are those in the water? What animal?
Penguin.
Oh, wow, very good. They are They
They
are,
are penguins.
okay, very good. They are penguins. And do you like penguins? Do you like penguins, Thaimi?
ペンギンはお好きですか
Yes.
Yes. Wow. You like
Yes.
penguins? Yes. Okay. Very good. Nice. So good job. I can see that you know all of these animals. How about this one? What animal is this? It has a long neck. Long neck. What animal is that? It's
Lion.
a, let's say, giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe has long neck. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. Okay, so when we see an animal that has a long neck, it is what
Giraffe.
animal?
Giraffe.
Yes, giraffe. Okay, very good. So nice job. So now, okay, so I think how about this one, Thyme? What animal is this? What animal? So
Animal.
it has a black and white stripes. We call it as zebra.
Giraffe.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, very good. Let's see. It's a zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, very good. One more time, Flyme. Let's look at the picture. What animal is this? It's a
It's a
zebra.
zebra.
Okay, very good. So nice job. So this is all of the animals that has abilities. So now let's move on and learn more about the abilities of the animals that we have. So let's go back to our slide. So here. So we have here our new lesson, which is all about what is our lesson? Abilities. Abilities, abilities,
Better
abilities.
piece. A better piece. A better piece.
Okay, let's say tease. T
Piece.
ability, ability, tease.
Piece.
Tease.
Cheese.
Okay, let's say abilities. Tease.
Cheese.
Abilities.
Very key.
Okay. Let's practice that in the next slide. So now, let's look at the picture that we have here and let's listen first to the audio that we have. And after that, we will read what's on our words here.
Page 58.
Can you hear the
Lesson
sound?
4. Abilities.
Can you hear the sound?
B. Listen,
Okay.
point, and say. 1,
Okay, one.
Run,
Run.
2,
hop,
Hop, hop.
3,
Swim.
4,
walk,
Walk. Okay, so now let's read.
page
Oh,
58.
let's read the words that we have here, Thaimi. Let's go first with this one. Okay, let's see.
Zebra.
Zebra, very good. Wow, this animal is a zebra. And what are the zebra doing? They run. Let's say run. Run, run,
Run.
run, run. How do you run? Do you know how to run? Do you know how to run?
走る方法を知っていますか
Yes or no? I know.
Don't know.
Ah, you don't know. Like this. You run. You run with your legs. Run.
Run.
Okay. So running is our first ability. So next, let's read the second. Hop. Let's say hop. Hop.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Very good. What is the kangaroo doing? The kangaroo hops.
Kangaroo. Hop.
Okay, very good. Let's say the word 3 times. So hop, hop, hop.
Hop. Hop.
Okay, very good. So now, Thyme, do you know how to hop?
ジャンプの仕方を知っていますか？
Hop, 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 hop. Do you know? Yes, so hop is like jumping. So we jump. When we jump, we hop. Like what
Jumping jump.
we hop. Okay, very good. So, like what the kangaroos are doing, they hop. Instead of walking, instead of running, they hop. Okay, so next, let's go to our third word. Let's say swim. Swim.
Swim.
Okay, so now can you do this? Swim, swim, swim. Do you know how to
Swim,
swim?
swim, swim.
Do you know how to swim?
あなたは泳ぎ方を知っていますか？
Do you know how to swim? Swim.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Swim. That is how we swim.
Swim.
Swim. Do you know how to swim? Yes or no? Do you know how to swim in the swimming pool? Ah,
Swim.
yes. Oh, yes. You know how to swim? Wow, that's very good that you know how to swim in a young age. Okay, so this is how we swim. So now, let's take a look at the bears here. These are polar bears.
Tung năng quỳ.
Okay, one more time. Polar
Quần đảo.
bears.
Bear.
Okay, very good. So these are polar bears. So the polar bears are swimming. They are swimming. So next, let's have our last ability here. Let's read this one. Walk, walk, walk. Let's say walk, 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 walk.
Rap. Rap. Rap.
Okay, one more time. Walk.
Walk.
Okay, very good. Now, Thyme, do you know how to walk?
あなたは歩き方を知っていますか？
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, you know how to walk because it is our first ability when we are still a child like you. So that is the first ability that we learn from our mommy and daddy. So we walk. Okay, so now look at this animal, Thyme. What animal is this? What animal? It's an this one. Look at the picture. What animal is that? It's an elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, very good. Elephant. So that is our ability. So now let's learn more about of these abilities that we have. So let's take a look at our first excuse me. So let's take a look at our first ability here. This one. Okay, what animals are these? Thyme. What animals? What animals are these?
これらはどんな動物ですか？
What is the name of this animal? It's zebras.
Zebra.
Zebras. Very good. Zebras. So, let's take a look at their abilities. What are the zebras doing? What are the zebras
シ
doing?
マウマたちは何をしているの？
They are? What is their ability? They what what are we doing? They run.
Lam.
Run, run, run.
Lam. Lam. Lam.
Okay, let's say run.
Lam. Lam.
Okay, very good. So when we say run, Thyme, it is to move fast using our legs. So when we say run is to move fast using our legs, like what the zebras are doing. They run.
走るとは、足を使って速く移動することです。
Okay, so that is the zebra. What are the zebra doing? So the zebra can, let's read the sentence here. Let's say the zebra
Zebra
can run
can run
fast
fast
in the grass.
in the grass.
Grass, let's say grass.
Get red.
Okay, very good. So let's look at the next ability. So this one, okay, again, Thyme, what ability is our first ability? What what is our first ability? It is
私たちの最初の能力とは何でしょうか？
what word is this? Run. Run.
Run.
Run.
Run.
Okay. One more time. What is our first ability? It's run. Run.
Run.
Okay, very good. Our first ability is run. So remember, next. Okay, next. This one. Okay, what can you
Okay.
see? What can you see in the picture, Thyme?
Where?
what 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 can you
One.
see in the picture?
写真には何が写っていますか？
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, very good. So it's a
It's a kangaroo.
okay, wow, perfect. So now what is the kangaroo doing? What is the kangaroo doing?
カンガルーは何をしていますか？
The kangaroo hop. Yes, very good. Okay, what is the kangaroo doing?
カンガルーは何をしていますか？
Kangaroo is hop,
Mm.
hop, hop, hop. Okay, can you hop, Timey? Can you hop like this? Hop, jump, hop, hop. Okay, very good. Like the frog. One example of an animal that hops is a frog. So frog hops. Okay, this one.
跳ねる動物の一例として、カエルが挙げられます。カエルは跳ねます。
Okay, so frog. Do you know what a frog is? Frog. Let's see. Frog hops.
Hop.
Okay, this one. Let's see a video here, like this. Here.
Yeah.
This is a frog. Why it's not moving? Okay, this one. Look at the video, Thymie. So the frog hops. So this is
Hop.
what hops. So jump. So when we say hop, it is to jump forward with two legs. Like what the frog is doing. The frog is jumping forward. So let's take a look at how a kangaroo hops.
Kangaroo.
Okay, this one. Okay, this. The kangaroo is, what is the kangaroo doing? Kangaroo is hop, hop, hop,
Yeah, okay. Hop.
hop. Okay, very good. So that is our second ability, which is hop. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next ability here. Okay, this one. Let's take a look at this animal. Look at the picture, Thymie. What animal is this, if you still remember?
これは何の動物ですか？
It's a
E
po-
for
polar
polar
bear.
bear.
Okay, very good. So when we see a white bear and it lives in a cold place, like in the picture, so it is a polar bear.
白いクマを見ると、
E
それは寒い場所に生息しています。写真にあるように、それはホッキョクグマです。
Okay, again, Thymie. What is the name of this bear? What
bear
what is this? It is a
bear
polar
bear.
bear. Yes, very good. It's a bear, but it's a polar bear.
Bear.
Okay, very good. So now, let's take a look. What are the polar bear doing? What are the polar bear doing, Thymie?
ホッキョクグマたちは何をしているの？
What are the polar bear doing? They are swim, swim, swim. They say swim, swim, swim. Okay, let's take a look. How do polar bear swim? So let's take a look at our video here.
Here.
Okay, this one. Look at this polar bear. The polar bear what is the polar bear doing? Thymie? Swim, swim, swim. S-
Swim, swim,
Swim.
swim.
Okay, so the polar bear swims like this, like in the video. So it uses its two hands to move in the water. So that is swim. Okay, swim.
Swim.
Okay. Can you show teacher? Can you show teacher? Can you show teacher? Sign me. How do you swim? How do you swim?
タイミ先生に泳ぎ方を見せていただけますか？
How do you swim? Like, can you show? Like this? This? Or this? Or like the polar bear? Okay. Wow. So you swim like that. So the polar bear swims like this. And you swim like that. So teacher swims like this. Okay. So that is that is how we swim. Okay, so that is the ability to swim. We use our hands and we also use our legs to move in the water, like what the polar bear is doing earlier. So that is swim. So next, let's move on to our next ability. Okay, but first, let's take a look at the picture, Thymie. What animal is this?
これは何の動物ですか？
What animal? It's an ele. It's an elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, very good. So when we saw an animal that has a long ears like this is their a long ears, long nose like this.
Along the
So we call their nose as trunks. Trunks.
slab.
Okay, if we see an animal that has a long trunk, so it is an elephant. So what are the elephants? What are the elephants doing?
象たちは何をしているのですか？
What are the elephants doing? They
and
walk, walk, walk,
walk,
walk.
walk, walk.
Okay, very good. So, like the elephant, so most people, most person like us, so it is the first ability that we had learned. So when we say walk, it is to move slowly with steps. We also use our legs to walk. Okay?
ゆっくりと歩幅を上げて移動します。歩くときにも足を使います。
Okay, so now let's have a video of how elephants walk. So here, let me have some
Here.
video here. Okay, this one. Not that one. Okay, this one. This is how elephants walk. Okay, look at the video, Thyme. What are the elephants doing? They
They
walk, 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 walk.
walk,
Okay, let's say walk, walk.
walk.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now what are our abilities, Thyme? Our first
Mhm.
ability is run. Run,
Run.
run, run. Run, run, run. Let's say run. Okay, next ability is hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Okay, next is swim. Swim. Can you do the swim? Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim.
Swim.
Okay, and for our last ability is walk. Walk, walk,
Walk.
walk, walk.
Walk. Walk.
Okay, very good, Thyme. So now, um, can you tell teacher? Can can you tell teacher what are your abilities, Thyme? Do you walk, run, swim, or hop? This one.
タイミさん、先生にあなたの能力を教えていただけますか？歩く、走る、泳ぐ、飛ぶことができますか？
Do you walk? Yes or no? Do you walk?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes, I walk.
Yes. I do.
Okay, one more time. Let's say walk. Walk.
Walk.
Okay,
Walk.
very good. Yes, I
Yes. I
walk.
walk.
Okay, very good. Now, Thyme, do you run? Do you run?
Did you want?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes, I run. Run. Yes, I run. Run. Okay, next. Do you swim, Thyme? Do you swim? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes, I
Thank you.
swim. Swim. Yes, I swim. Okay, last question, Thyme. Do you hop? Do you hop? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes, I hop. Okay, very good. So nice job. Nice job, Thyme. And I can see that it is already the end of our time. So we will just continue this lesson in our next class, okay? So make sure that since you are most familiar with the animals, a giraffe, elephant, and zebra, so make sure to study these three animals. And also, and also practice the abilities that we learned today, like run, hop, swim, and walk. Okay?
And what? Okay.
Okay. Okay, very good. So thank you so much, Taimi, for your time today and see you again soon. Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Taimi. Bye bye. Goodbye. Good night. And take care.